Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can we insert a table in Microsoft Word and how can we use the different table tools. So this is very important video for you people. Everyone must know these table tools. So let's start our video. From here you just go to Insert tab. There is an option table. So just draw the table according to your choice. So I am typing here some text, for example name of some subjects, now I am adding some numbers. So this is my table which I prepared. So if I want the first row to be highlighted, so I can bold it, I can increase its size. From here I can change the font. Now I can add it to some design. So these are the design options available here. I can click just this one. Now I can change the height of the cells. In the layout you can increase its height. Now if you want these all data in the center, so select the table. In the layout option, click on this option. So you are saying that your data is in the center of the cell. If you want a row or column in the table, so just click inside the table. Now you can see here there is plus sign. So if you want to add a row, click on this. You can see 2 rows are added. If you remove these rows, just click Ctrl Z. Now same like you can add columns. Now I don't need these columns, so I am pressing Ctrl Z. So this is our table. You can also check these properties. Insert, from here insert columns to the left, insert columns to the right, insert rows above, insert rows below. These are also options. Delete table, you can delete this table. Distribute rows evenly. It means when your text is not distributed evenly in the cell, so you can distribute rows, distribute that text evenly in the rows. Same like distribute columns evenly. Border styles, you can change the border styles. You can add different color, like this one. These are the 2 lines. So these are the 2 lines, border styles. So you can change it. Auto fit to content. This is like the distribute rows evenly, distribute columns evenly. This is the similar options to this one. Also insert caption, you can insert caption to the table like that. If this is the caption name, table 1, from here label, there is 3 different options: equation, figure, table. So this is table, that's why I'm selecting table and click OK. So there is caption available here. You can format it bold, you can change its size, and now I am taking this in Times New Roman and I am giving it some color. So these are the table tools from which everyone, a beginner student, can work with these table tools. So this is the today video. If you find this useful, please like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more useful videos in the future.